Welcome kids, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Belkin National School, and we are starting today mathematics for standard 4. Students, today we are starting our 14th chapter division part 2. It's our class test chapter. Okay. Students, before this we have done division part 1 in semester 1, right? Now in this chapter we will learn how to solve word problems of division. Now look, if the total cost of 3 compass boxes is rupees 90, what is the cost of 1 compass box? Now students, you know what is division. Now in this sum we are having total cost of 3 compass box. When we know the cost of 1 and more compass boxes, then we have to find for 1. Okay, look, the cost of 3 compass box is 90 rupees. So find for 1 compass box. So what to do here? Division. What we will do? Division. We have total cost of 3 compass box and we have to find 1. We have to find cost for 1. So what we will do? Division. So the division we write like this. So 90 is dividend and 3 is divisor, right? So let's divide. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 9 is there in 3 table. So 3 threes are 9 will write here. Okay, we will minus it. When my 9 minus 9 0. Okay, then this 0 remain, it will come down here. Okay, now there is no 0. When we divide or multiply 0 with any number, then the answer should be 0. Then 3 zeros are, we will take 0. 3 zeros are 0. The answer is 0 and our quotient is 30. Our quotient is 30. So 1 compass box, the price of 1 compass box is 30 rupees. So here 30 rupees. Understood, student? This is your word problem. Now look next. Look the fourth one. If 49 seedlings are to be planted in a garden in rows of 7 saplings each, how many such rows will be made? What is the sum? 49 seedlings are to be planted in a garden in rows of 7 sapling each. Okay, how many such rows will be made? They have to plant 7 saplings in one row. Have you understood the question? They have to plant 7 saplings in one row. Then how many rows needed to plant 49 saplings? Then what we have to do again here? Division. So let's do it. Look, total seedlings we have 49 and seedlings in one row, how many? 7 seedlings in one row. So find how many rows needed to plant 49 seedlings. Now here what we will do? Again division. So first find out the dividend and divisor. So 49 is what? Dividend. Okay. And 7 is divisor. So we will write dividend here and divisor here. Now look this number 49. Here first 4 number is less than 7. So we cannot take single 4. We have to take the 49 number. So is there 49 in 7 table? Yes. 7 sevens are 49. So 7 sevens are 49. So answer is 0. Quotient is remainder 0 and the quotient is 7. So our division is complete. So 7 here. Then find how many rows needed to plant 49 seedlings. How many rows we needed? 7 rows we needed. Then look, the question was how many such rows will be made? So our answer is 7 rows will be made. Understood, student? Now we will look dividing a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, look, here is the sum. If 126 peppermint sweets are divided equally between 9 children, then how many sweets will each child get? If 126 peppermint sweets are divided equally between 9 children, how many sweets will each child get? Here 126 is what? Dividend, and 9 is divisor. So we will divide 126 by 9 to find our answer. Okay, let's do. 126 peppermint sweet are divided equally between 9 children. So find how many sweet each child get. So here dividend is 126 and divisor is 9. Look, okay, dividend and divisor. So let's start the division. Now look here, 9 is the divisor. Here first we always start division with right left side. Okay, so one number is here. Now 1 is less than 9, so we cannot take one single. So what we have to take? 12. Okay, so 12 is there in 9 table? No. Then 9 twos are 18. 18 is also bigger than 12. Then what we have to take? 9 alone. Okay, then take 9 ones are 9. Let's subtract. When we subtract 9 from 12, the answer is 3. Right? 39. I made mistake here. Instead of 6, I took there 9. So I am doing here it again. Okay, 9 ones are 9. Okay, what is the answer? 3. And this 6 will come down, then 6. Now 36. 36 is there in 9 table? Yes, 9 fours are 36. So our remainder is 0 and quotient is 14. So this is our answer. Okay, so how many sweets each child get? How many sweets each child get? 14 sweets each child. Just write it, your answer down. Each child will get 14 sweets. Therefore, this is the sign of therefore. Therefore, each child will get 14 sweets. Understood, student? Look another one. Now look this one. If we put 6 biscuits in one packet, how many packets can be made from 600 biscuits? If we put 6 biscuits in one packet, so how many packets can be made from 600 biscuits? Now here also division. What is dividend? 600 is dividend and 6 is divisor. Let's do it. Look, 6 biscuits in one packet. How many packets made by 600 biscuits? So dividend is 600, divisor is 6. So let's find. Now 6 ones are 6. Okay, so here 0 will come. Now above 0, this 0 will take down. So now 0 is there. When we divide 0 with any number, the answer should be 0. Then 6 zeros are 0. Okay, again 0 here. Again the one more 0 is remain here, so we will take it down. Again 6 zeros are 0. Our division process is complete. What is the answer? 100. 100 is quotient. So how many packets made by 600 biscuits? Total 100 packets were made. Look, therefore total 100 packets will made by 600 biscuits. Understood, student? Your division chapter is over here. Students, do practice of it in home. Okay, happy learning, student. Thank you so much.